Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be an Alipearl deep wave wig install. I am so excited. I've never done deep wave before and I'm absolutely loving it. This hair is literally giving me summer. Like, I'm ready. Forget about spring. As soon as I installed this hair, I was just so happy. If you're looking for curly hair and summer wherever you are, or you've got a holiday coming up, this hair would be perfect. So Alipearl has kindly sent me their deep wave hair. I asked for 200 density, however they gave me 250. Initially I was actually thinking, oh my days, the hair's gonna be so big, but guys, I'm so happy that I got the 250. It's so nice. I also wanted to show you guys what came in the bag. The Alipearl's branding, guys, is so cute. The hair came in this little silk pink pouch. I'm gonna see if I can insert a clip of the hair actually, like when I first got it. I feel like it looked a lot bigger than how it looks whilst it's on right now. So guys, I love the Velcro bands. I've got other bands where you just tie it at the back. This one with the Velcro makes it so much easier. So it's like black on one side and it's pink on the other side. It is reversible, and then it says Alipearl all over. For me, I prefer things without like loud branding, but you can still wear it. I've been wearing it for the last couple of days. And the good thing about this one, guys, sometimes, I don't know about you guys, but you know when you've got like a wig band and then you take it off and you can see like the imprint on your head? This one doesn't do that, so I was really surprised and happy about that. And then we've also got like a silk band. I've actually never had a silk scarf like this before. It says Alipearl on the front. So I've heard that this is for your edges. It can lay your edges down really nicely. So I'm looking forward to using this. Of course, they've given us eyelashes. These ones aren't like the mini lashes that they normally give you that you can't actually wear. So I actually am excited to try these on as well. And then the lashes come with a case. And of course, we've got our slick brush. Crucial, guys. When you've got your frontals, this is crucial. The hairdresser used this mousse spritz to do my edges as well. She doesn't like it when it's like dry, stuck down. She prefers like the fluffy look. So this is what she used and I thought to pick it up too. Also with the slip brush, guys, it's not too hard. And then we've got the little comb part at the bottom of it, which is definitely going to be handy. They also give us this wig band as well. For me, this was quite short, so I'll definitely be wearing the one with like the Alipearl around it. And then they also gave us 2 silk scarves. This is like the lovely print of the scarf. We've got orange, we've got beige, we've got pink, we've got blue. And then they actually gave me 2 of these. I can't remember what the other one is because I've really started using it. But yeah, that is really nice. I haven't seen any other like company give that. So then we've got a 2-piece wig cap, and this is in tan. People that are making the wigs themselves, this would definitely come in handy. So they've literally sent everything that you would need to get from the hair shop in this package, which is great. And then yeah, guys, that's all that was in the bag. I feel like that's such like a good goodie bag to get with your wig. The wig was also in this bag too. It said HD, it gave you the density, and it also gave you the length. But yeah, let me just show you guys the process of me getting my hair done. So guys, as you can see, we're almost finished with this install. I decided to get like a deep side part because I love a side part on me, especially with curly hair. And one thing to note, if you want to do like, I don't know, a braid in the front or like tie up the hair, you probably have to get a 13x6. But like for a side part, middle part, 13x4 will do the trick. Yeah guys, I just love this hair so much. I need to clean the lace a bit because I did wear makeup the other day and clearly you can still see like the residue on the lace. I can show you guys how it looks when the hair is a bit more wet, and you can see how nice the curls look. And the hair actually has minimal shedding. I feel like you can't really give a review even after a week. Let's be serious. You can't give a review because how would I know if the hair is actually good hair? But even for me running my hands through it, you can see how soft the hair is. Yeah, then I also got this mousse as well. I got this mousse from the hair shop. And yeah, I feel like it looks really nice in the hair. I'll just show you guys. The mousse is a curl defining mousse. I'm only gonna put like one pump on both sides, and then put a bit more water on this side of the hair. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe guys. Let me know if you want to see any more hair reviews. I'm really excited as this was my first brand collaboration, so that was really exciting for me. Let me know if you want to see any more things to do with like hair or beauty tips, for example. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video.